Hi everybody, my name's Lauren and I'm from Essex Wildlife Trust. Today I want to show you how to make your own DIY miniature pond. If you live in an urban area like me, this is a great way to make your garden more wildlife friendly. So get your pond plants and I'll show you how to make one. All you'll need to make a DIY pond is some pond plants, an empty pot, and some rocks of different sizes, and also, if you can, collect some rainwater. First, find a pot that isn't occupied. I'm using this one here. You'll see it's got a few holes in, and so I'm using a liner that's waterproof, and I'll put some rocks down to make sure that the water doesn't escape. Keep filling your miniature pond up with different sized rocks. This will create a really good base for your pond. You only need a few pond plants to make this habitat wild and great for nature. A miniature water lily, lettuce spearwort, starwort and flowering rush are all great options. You'll see here that I've made a ramp out of collected stones and a broken plant pot which I had in my garden so that nature has an easy access point in and out of my pond. Once your pond is nearly done, you can fill it up with rainwater that's been collected, or you can use tap water but leave it for a few days to get rid of the chlorine.